Welcome to my presentation of Naturnet portal. My name is Přemysl Vohnout and I'm developer at Czech Centers for Science and Society. To access Naturnet portal, simply open your favorite browser and type www.naturnet.org. Core of the system is metadata catalog. This catalog supports Inspire metadata profile. It allows you to import metadata from existing services like WMS or WCS. It has editing module for editing existing metadata. It has full discovery catalog which supports multi-catalog search. There is also administration environment for administrators, and there is also light version for editing for normal users. This metadata catalog also supports harvesting of metadata. Catalog client can be accessed from the menu clicking on the metadata. This catalog client allows you to search by different terms like resource type, text, keywords, scale, language, and others. There is also one special type, which is searching using bounding box, which allows you search for spatial enabled metadata records. For example, WMS services and other spatial services, or for spatial data. If you want to add more catalogs to the client, just simply click on this green plus and you can select predefined catalog or other custom catalogs which can be added using URL. So for example, now I will add Pan4All catalog. Then if you return to the search form, hit search with some specific search values. It will be searching in both catalogs. Now you can see that in Naturnet catalogs is right now 9 WMS services and in Pan4All. To access more modules from metadata catalog, you must be logged in. Now you can see that there are 5 items in this menu: search, manager, create, import, and extract. Manager is used for edit already existing metadata records. So for example, if you here click on my records, it will show you your records created by you, and then you can do several actions with them. For example, delete it, edit it, view the XML form, or make a copy of it. Then if you want to create new record, hitting create in the menu will open you this light editor. After you finish, just hit save. Then if you have already existing metadata in XML form, just select them from the disk and then hit import. Then if you want to take metadata from services, you can use second option, which allows you to harvest metadata from service capabilities. For map viewing is used HSLayers, which is extension of OpenLayers using JavaScript framework. HSLayers supports adding of OGC services into map. Right now it's supported WMS, WCS, WFS, and we are now working on SOS, which is for sensors. HSLayers also supports creating of map compositions from requests from various servers, so you don't need to install any map server and so on. HS Layers also supports WPS, which stands for Web Processing Service. This service allows users to extend their compute functions. MapViewer also supports searching in the map using gazetteers. Right now in Naturnet portal is implemented a gazetteer based on OpenStreetMap. HS Layers also support editing functions, which allows users to create spatial data without having any GIS on their computer. What is also very interesting in MapViewer is printing of map compositions. MapViewer can be accessed clicking on the map menu item. This will open MapViewer in default state, or if you already entered, or if you visited MapViewer before, it will open in the last state. Naturnet portal has latest functions in MapViewer from HS Layers. These functions are printing, WPS client, and what is very interesting is embedding this map viewer into the HTML. So if you click on this icon, it will show you this window with generated code, which if you will copy to your web pages, it will show you this map as you see it. Another part of portal is data management. Data management is done by geohosting. This application is divided into the two parts. First is Mapman, second is Dataman. Mapman allows user to create outputs to several services like WFS or WMS, or to KML, so you can view it in Google Earth, for example. Dataman is used directly for data management, so it allows you to connect databases like PostGIS or Microsoft SQL, or to import shapefiles to server. Another possibility of data management is GeoServer. This is open source developed by OSGeo, which allows users to create several services also. To access geohosting, just click on geohosting in the menu. As I said before, Map Composer or Mapman is used for creating map projects from which you can then create several services. Second application in geohosting is Dataman, which is used for managing data. As you can see, there are databases, tables and files in the menu. Databases is used for connecting databases from other servers, so it doesn't need to be directly on the server. And files are used for storing spatial data like shapefiles or some raster data. Last but not least important part of the portal is content management system. For this we are using our Simple CMS, which was written directly for portal. As I said, Simple CMS is content management system. This system is focused on usability and simplicity for end users on its mind. That's the word simple in the name. This content management system allows to use information from other networks like SlideShare, Facebook or YouTube. On the other side, it allows export of information to social networks like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and others. Simple CMS is opened by default when you enter the portal. Layout is divided into the three columns. Left is menu, right is used for gathering data from other sources using RSS, and middle part is for displaying content. As you can see, default language is English. Simple CMS is also into the Bulgarian, Czech language, Italian, Latvian, Lithuanian and Romanian. And if you change language, it will also change your content. So if I will, for example, now click on Romanian flag, you can see that the content changed. If you are using RSS reader, you can also use RSS from Simple CMS. Just clicking on this icon will open you RSS, and then you can connect it to your RSS reader. If you want to edit content, you must switch from home page to Simple CMS, and now as you can see it looks very the same, but there are new buttons. If you want to add new menu item, just click on the plus below the menu or next to menu item. If you click this plus, it will show you the form, and now you need to fill these fields. Obligatory fields are marked by exclamation mark, so these fields must be filled in before you want to save it. If you want to share some URL which is not on the portal, like for example Google, just fill this link field. So now I will fill some information. After you finish creating, just hit save. Now as you can see, there is new menu item. There are other icons like this red cross. By clicking on this you will delete menu item. Then there are two arrows. If you click on them, it will move your menu item up or down. Now if you click on the title of the menu item, you will be moved to this menu, you will be moved to content of this menu. As you can see right now there is nothing. In every menu you can have two types of content. First is message. This is used for static content, so you can create only one. This can, for example, describe what will be in this menu. So now if I click on the create message and write here, for example, this is for presentation purpose, hit confirm, you will see that I'm not right now able to create any more message. Of course I can edit it or delete it. Second type is article. By hitting this plus, you will see another form in which you can create new article. Again, obligatory fields are marked with exclamation mark. So now I will fill this information. So for example, title will be and author will be me. Then there are two field area. First is perex and second is content. In perex area you must fill short information about this article, and in content you can create full content. After hitting confirm, the new article will be saved, and now you see in the menu that there is new item. Article has 4 icons next to it. First is to edit, second is to create metadata about article, third is about editing, and fourth to delete this article. Simple CMS implements Wysiwyg editor, so it's not so difficult to create content, for example by editing HTML, like writing the text and so on. So you only need to write the text and format it like in, for example, Microsoft Word. What is also important is adding images into the content, so it can be nicer and so on. This can be done by clicking this icon which looks like picture. Now you will see another window. Now if you click on browse server, you will see list of already available pictures, or you can upload the new one. So now if I will select this one, you will see information about this picture, and now if you click select and OK, it will be added into the article. Sometimes can be interesting also to insert some URL or link to another pages. This can be done by this icon. Now you will see window where you only put